Welcome to Total Wreath Design, where today I'm going to show you how to make a bow using just one ribbon, and this one is a 2.5-inch ribbon. I also recommend that you use a wired ribbon when designing your bows because it will hold its shape much better. So we're going to start with our first loops are going to be 7 inches, and we are going to do 2 on each side. Don't forget to twist that ribbon in the center after each of your loops. Now we're going to do 2 more loops on either side at 6 inches each. Again, making sure we are twisting in the center each time we make a new loop. We are going to make 2 more loops on both sides at 5 inches each. Now we're going to make one loop on each side at 4 inches each. And we're going to cut that off for our second ribbon tail. And of course, dovetail the ends of both of those. I usually put my zip tie underneath the bow in the center and attaching it loosely or connecting it loosely before sliding it off of the bow maker. Once it's off the bow maker, I turn the connecting part towards the bottom of the bow, and then I place my pipe cleaner inside that zip tie and pull it snug. I don't pull it tight because I want to get the form of my bow before I tie it tightly. Once I get the form that I like, I will tighten up the zip tie and cut off the tip. Now for the fun part. It's time to fluff our bow. I typically start at the top on one side and then just put my fingers inside the loops, spreading them in opposite directions. I've never been one to make a bow by hand because, as you can see, the bow maker does an amazing job, and look how amazing this bow turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the tutorial.